It's me, Morgan from Michigan. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my trip. First, what we did is we went to the Key Lime Hotel in Gurney, Illinois, sorry. And I came here. We stayed 2 nights and we went to Great America. Then we came here. Uncle Mike, he put flowers in my bedroom. Jaden is such a sweetheart. He is the sweetest thing. He's a little peanut. And there he is in there.
There's Jaden sleeping while Morgan swims.
And now we're just hanging out in the pool. We swam yesterday. Then we went to Harry Potter. Yesterday we swam for 3 hours. And I've been swimming my butt off. And yesterday we saw Harry Potter. And it was a 3-hour movie, so it was long. Then we went to the grocery store. And like I said, Jaden's a sweetheart.
And you babysat.
Yes, I did.
And she's changed 2 diapers so far.
Yes, and one that I did earlier today with Connie and Teacher's help was so gross. I don't think you need to know about that, though. It's really deep over there. I can't even touch. I can touch it, just my hand, it goes up to here. Should I show you?
The camera can't go that far, sweetie.
Can you walk over there?
I think we should, Jaden's waking up, so we should just say goodbye, Grammy. We'll see you soon.
Grammy, love you.